Hello, boys and girls. I'm at the McAllen Nature Center this morning. It's like 5 minutes from school. I drove by school and then I came over here to see how far it was. It's about 5 minutes away. It's free to come in. They usually have a box if you want to make a donation, $1 or $2, but you don't have to. It's a nice place. It's been a while since I've been here. I'm already tired because I had already started and then I didn't realize I pressed record, so I had to go back to the beginning. Anyways, sometimes there's little rabbits up and about, so let's go see what we can find. Okay, it's a really nice place. It's a nice, cool morning, so I'll stay kind of quiet so we can see if we find any little rabbits or, who knows. Sometimes they say there's ocelots here, I think, but we'll go check it out. It's nice. There's lots of trees everywhere. I see one other person. Hopefully there won't be too many people or they're going to hear me talking to myself and think I'm crazy. I don't know. Well, they don't even have the box to make donations anymore. Oh. Okay. They do have a sign-in sheet. Oh no. They have a map. I'm going to take a map because I don't want to get lost. Oops, hold on. Good morning. Diana Valdez? Are you still doing donations? Oh, okay, cool. I'm recording for my students, so I came. Okay, thank you. All right, so we go left or right? Excuse me? I'm from San Juan, but I'm doing this for kids in McAllen and McAllen campus. Yes. Thank you. Okay, let's go to the... Oh, I can't decide left or right. Let's go to the right. All right, let's start running. I'm going to put this map in my pockets. Oh, they have this super cool hill that you can climb up. Okay, let's go over there. Trying to keep it still, guys. You know what? I think I'm going to walk because then I scare away all the whatever animals are around. I'm running a little bit. They used to have a hill. Maybe they took it off. You could climb up. I brought my nephews here a few times. Oh no, there's the hill. Okay, let's go. Let's see. We can go up through there. Up, or they used to have some ropes over here you could climb up, but let's go check it out. They might have taken them off because of COVID, but let's go see. Yeah, that part is closed right now, but you can go up the other way. I think once all this passes, then they'll probably put it away, put them back. There was just rocks, and you could climb up the rocks, or they had two big ropes hanging, and you can just pull yourself up. But I guess they haven't used it since all of this has been going on, so it looks all ugly. But normally it was real pretty, and you could climb up there. Okay, let's go into one of the trails. I hope we don't get lost. Here we go. You have to be careful because there's cactuses on the side. When I brought my mom, she likes to climb trees. She would climb this big tree. Good for climbing. Oh look, there's a bunny. I'm gonna go slow. See if you can see him on the floor. He's a tiny, cute one. You can't see him. Hold on. I don't want to scare him. He's right there. He's looking right at us. He's so tiny and cute. Look at him. Oh, there he goes. Bye, little bunny. Okay, let's see what else. It was so cute. Let's see what else we find. I'll try to walk soft. I'll try to run softly. I haven't been here in a long time. It's so nice. Some birds. If you get tired, you can rest on the bench. Well, we just started, so we're not resting. I wish this place was closer to my house. I'd come more often. It's not close to my house. Look at all the cactuses. That's why I don't want to run right to the edge. I know at school some of you like to run in the little cement on the track. I wouldn't want to do it here because they're on both sides. And different kinds of cactuses. There's a tall, skinny one. Oh, there was another bunny. I scared him. Okay, let's go see. Let's go. Maybe we should go the other way. Let's look at our map. I have no idea where I'm at. Let's just keep going. Hopefully we'll find our way out. You gotta be careful when you run on trails. Oh, there's another bunny. Oh, stay quiet. He's in the bushes. Oh, he left. You have to be careful when you run on trails because you'll come across like that tree that was left or right. Let's go left. A tree that was broken. Nothing over here. Let's go back. Dragonfly just flew by. There's another bunny. I need to be paying attention. He's in there. Oh, he left. Okay, we'll stay quiet. Here is where they put food for the birds. There's a mockingbird right there. They usually put food in this area, and then they have a bench and you can sit and watch the birds. But there aren't any right now. So let's go. It's a good tree for climbing also. I don't think they like people to climb trees, but it would be good for climbing. I hear something in there. Oh, that's a pretty bird. It was yellow. It flew away. All right, I'm gonna go quietly. There's all kinds of little trails. I think this is just a circle around. Let's go check it out. Yeah, it's just a little circle. I like being out here early in the morning because you hear the birds and you see all the wildlife early in the morning. Okay, let's go. Oh, look at that bird. That was a pretty one. Darn it, I scared it. Okay, it's right there on the branch. Let's go see. It's got yellow all in the middle. Do you see it? It flew through. I don't know if you could see it or not. I saw it. That's a chiskitty. I think those are what those are called. Let's see, it's up there. There you go. Oh, it flew away. All right, he's shy. He didn't want to be on the video. Okay, let's keep going. Let's go this way. Oh, there he goes. No, that looked like a hawk. Let's go see. If I can catch up to a hawk, right? Yeah. Oh, this is cool. Look, it's covered just with the trees, like a little tunnel. Okay, now let's go this way. I know before COVID, they used to have like evening hikes to come walk in the evening, and you could see all the types of creatures that come out at night. Of course, you would have to bring flashlights and stuff, but they do a lot of activities. Well, probably not right now because of everything that's going on. Oh, let's go. Oh, let's go this way. But hopefully once things get back to normal, this is a place you and your families can come and check out. And right now, you can as well, but they don't have all the activities that they normally do. And a lot of it is free, especially for kids. I've never been to this side, to this area. This looks more new. Oh, that breeze feels good. Almost done, I think. I hope I didn't get lost. Uh-oh. Okay, let's go see where this trail leads us to. This is dirt. The other ones was paved. I think this is going like around the outside of it. I think. Because it's not as wooded as over there in there. But let's see where it takes us. Keep going. Keep going. Just keep running. Just keep running. We're gonna have to pull out our map so I can see where we're at, how to get out. Okay. Okay, this took us in a big circle, or half a circle. Okay, we're back to civilization over here. See the bench. So it was just like a loop on the outside. Right here, it's still just dirt. It's not paved. So I think this is where we'll find more of the animals because it's still their natural habitats. Listen to that. It was a good morning to come today. Oh man, don't tell me we're going around the same place again. If we end up just going around in a circle, I'm going to stop the video. But let's see if there's a place to turn. I need to turn right somewhere. Nope, still don't see a place. I think we passed through here. Did we pass through here? I want to say yes, but can't be sure. Okay, let's see. Oh, here's the little tunnel that we went through. I think, unless there's another one. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna just go quietly. I wanted to run, but kind of noisy when I run. Oh, there's a bunny rabbit over there, inside the thing, inside the brush. Okay, let's go. I'm just taking rights all day. Well, except this one will be on left. I hope it takes his right spot. Right or left, right or left. Let's go right. My arm is tired of holding up the phone. So there's that yellow bird again. Maybe he's following us. Oh, there goes another bird. And if you end up coming here with your family and it's your first time, I think it'd be good just to walk so you can see everything, because there's a lot to see. You know, the animals and stuff. Sometimes you'll find horny toads or different types of lizards as well. That's when it's hotter because they like the sun. So they'll hide in there. Different types of wildlife in there. There's all kinds of areas. It's a nice place to come, and it's so close. If you live close to school, like I said, it was exactly 5 minutes from school to here, so it's not very far away. It's called the McAllen Nature Center, so you can let your parents know, your whole family can come. They used to be open in the mornings and in the evenings. They would close in the daytime because that was really hot. But I called yesterday, and they said they're only open in the mornings. Or you can check their website, it'll tell you if it's open or closed that way before you head out. But again, you're not that far away, so. And like I said, they take donations right now. She said because of COVID, they're not taking any donations. So you just come in free, okay? So hope you like this trail. I'm getting out already. Hope you like this. Oh, look, there's the bunny. Oh, hey, little bunny. Oh, you can't see him. He's in there. Just see his little white tail. Anyways, hope you like this run today. I'll see where else I can go run to keep it interesting for us, okay? Till next time.